Before you start tearing down your 996 to find a problem, watch this video first and save yourself hours of teardown and headaches. I'm Damien from Pelican Parts, and today I'm going to show you different ways to use a Borescope on your 996 that has nothing to do with checking inside the engine for bore scoring. Now, most people think of Borescopes for checking internal engine damage, but on any car, it's really one of the most valuable diagnostic tools you can have to help diagnose problems in hard-to-reach areas that are otherwise completely hidden and take hours of disassembly to even get to. What we're looking at today are realistic examples of failure points like clogged sunroof drains, hidden oil leaks, water leaks, all issues that can be really hard to find and take you way too much time to pinpoint. Keep watching as we go through each scenario step by step so I can show you how to diagnose the problem before committing to a repair. Our 996 has an active oil leak where the bell housing meets the engine. Removing the crank position sensor gives you a nice opening to feed the camera into. This sensor is on the driver's side just in front of the transmission. It pulls right out after removing the one Torx fastener holding it into the engine case. With the camera sitting behind the flywheel and the pickup wheel for the crank sensor, it was easy to see our leak was coming from the IMS flange and not the rear main seal. The right side of the photo is the portion of the engine case closest to the ground and is covered in oil. This area sits directly below the lower mounting positions of the IMS flange to the engine. If you walk the camera upward towards the engine case, you can see that the rear main seal is completely dry. Underneath the car, there are multiple drain hoses that can clog with debris. Scoping them from their exit points can verify if and where the blockages are, so you can plan how you want to clear them. This is inside the drain tube for the gas door compartment, and you can see debris present. Not enough to completely block water drainage, but enough to show you just how debris can make its way into hard-to-reach areas. Perhaps the most annoying issue of the 996 is the foam from the blend door of the HVAC system falling apart. Feeding your Borescope through the center vent will help you verify how much foam has fallen off the blend door. You can see that basically all the foam is gone, and what's left is hanging on for dear life. This is also a good time to verify that the door works. Turning the AC on and off will close and open the door. Since this blend door has holes in it that the foam is meant to cover and the foam's gone, you'll think your AC is broken because the HVAC can no longer control the temperature. As you can see, a Borescope's useful for more than just internal engine damage. If you want to learn more about working on your Porsche, come find us at pelicanparts.com.